as was a best practice, I need to remove the publisher from the cluster outside. Publisher, remove the from the cluster and then restore the backup. Then it's working.
Oh, this is the safest way we
This is
need to follow.
this is the safest way. Don't push the cluster. You need to push the
No need to make a zero size, right? Or no need to format or
yes, no need to, nothing. No, nothing.
okay.
So,
Okay.
so meaning we need to disconnect the subscribers communicating to the publisher
No,
prior doing
subscriber,
this.
no, subscriber still authenticate three authentication method, because already replicate
Yes.
the configuration
Yes.
publisher already pushing to him, pushing to the
Yes.
replicated data. This is not required. Authentication still working is happening, but I need to new
Yes.
configuration on the publishers. I need to remove the publisher from the clusters, okay, and then restore the cluster. So automatically again publisher replicate the data to subscriber.
Your explanation seems well, but in live network, let's say we have active passive publisher 1, publisher 2,
Mm,
active passive,
mm, mm,
and we have these four subscriber 1, 2, 3, and 4.
mm, mm.
So when we are going to restore the 1 month older configuration data,
Mm.
now my active publisher, I want to manually make it as a standalone first.
No,
We
when
need to remove from the cluster.
yes, remove from the class. See, any activity performance publisher related. So that one condition automatically standby publisher remove from your standby make is a false. Any activity going to perform in the publisher, the first condition is go to standby publisher, and then publisher select should be make as a false. There is a no standby publisher, all as a subscriber. The first condition. Then going to perform the activity on your publisher.
Can you write the condition? I'll take a note,
See,
Shabir, if you don't mind.
yes, just second. This is the publisher. Okay. So I am going to the, what is this? So clustered parameter. First go to here and make as a false and then save. Don't select as a true and perform the activity from in the publisher. Every time should be false. And then going to perform the restoration, then going to perform the upgradation, anything. Okay.
Meaning we need to make it away from the cluster.
Yes,
Should not be in the member.
Yes, it's not with the member. All in the subscriber. All in the subscriber.
It will be a member, but it will be a subscriber.
Subscriber.
He is telling about only standby publisher.
Publisher, yes.
Standby publisher, the passive guy.
Passive guy.
Passive guy now will act as the subscriber. One of the subscriber.
Yeah. Now only one guy will be in the active publisher.
Yes, active publisher. Correct. So
what do we have to do there?
Yes, as I make a subscriber means that new publisher automatically replicate the data all subscriber. Okay, if you going to standby publisher, they are not going to replicate the data of the subscriber, replicate the data of the publisher. Correct. So the condition is all configuration replicate to subscribers. So all the node as a subscriber node while going to perform any activity through your publisher.